Hello everyone, welcome back to SFTC Ninja, and I'm here with one more Apex trigger scenario. So without any further delay, let's start with today's scenario. But before going directly to scenario, it is very important to understand the data model so that we will have some clarity while writing the code. So guys, in today's scenario, opportunity and contact are the main objects. And on both objects, there is a picklist field type which contains same values, which are new customer, partner, and non-profit. And there is also one more object, opportunity contact role, which will be used in today's scenario. And I already explained about opportunity contact role in previous video, so you can check out that video. Link is in the description. So this is all about data model. Now let's understand today's requirement. So today's requirement is whenever type field on opportunity record gets updated, then we need to insert a new opportunity contact role according to the new value of type field. And we need to delete the existing opportunity contact role present on that opportunity. And also, if there is no contact present of same type as opportunity, then in that case, we have to show error. I know this scenario is little bit complex, but don't worry. I will make it simple for you by explaining it using flow diagram. Let's say there is an account on which an opportunity record is present whose type is customer. Now, when the user updates the type field of that opportunity record, then there will be two scenarios. First scenario is that if contact of same type is present on account, let's say value in type field of opportunity record gets updated from customer to partner and there is a contact with partner value in type field is present. Then in that case, we need to perform two tasks. First, we need to insert a contact role with contact of same type, and second, we need to delete contact role which is already present on opportunity record. So this could be the scenario if there is a contact of same type present on account. But if there is no contact present, then in that case, we need to show error message like there is no contact present of this or that type. So guys, now we have gone through all the details. I believe that the scenario is now clear. So it's time to do real thing. It's time to code. So let's go to VS Code and create our handler class. Let's name it trigger handler. Create our method public static void trg method. Now a trigger should work whenever user updates type field on opportunity. Therefore, just like old days, we will pass list of opportunity record as parameter in our method like this. List opportunity, let's say new OPP list. As a best practice of Apex, apply a null check on this list. If new OPP list is not empty, and iterate over it, new OPP list name. Now in first step, what we will do, we will store parent account ID and ID of opportunity record on which user updates the type field. And we will also store new value of type field after updation. So to store opportunity ID and type field value, let's create a map like this. Map ID comma string. Let's say OPP type map, new map ID comma string. And let's also create a set to store parent account ID. Set ID, GCIDs, new set ID. Now see, we need that all of these values will be stored only when user updates the type field of an opportunity record whose parent account ID is not null. I mean that opportunity record should have a parent account. So let's use if condition here, and inside this if condition apply check for parent account, new opp dot account ID not equals to null. Now to check that whether type field has been updated or not, we need to compare its new value with old value. And to fetch old values, let's pass another parameter in our method like this. Map ID opportunity, let's say old OPP map. And in this map, we will pass trigger.oldMap from a trigger. Now let's create an instance of opportunity using this map like this. Opportunity, let's say old OPP map dot get new opp.id. Basically, this old OPP variable contains the old version of opportunity records. Now inside this if, let's compare old value and new value of type field like this. New opp.type not equals to old OPP dot type. And if this condition will get true, I mean on an account record, if opportunity type field gets updated, then we will simply store account ID in this set like this. Copy its name, paste it here, dot add new OPP dot account ID. And we will store opportunity ID along with type in this map. Copy its name, paste it here, dot put new OPP dot ID and type. So we have data of the opportunity record which is being updated, and that data will be stored in this map and in this set only when on an account record type field of an opportunity record gets updated. Now we want that our further code will be executed only if this set and this map contains a value. So let's apply null checks like this. If this set is not empty and this map is also not empty. And now in next step, we will fetch related contacts of account whose account ID is in this set and type is in this map. So let's create a list like this. List contact, let's say related contacts, select ID, type from contact where account ID is in ACCID set and type is in values of this map dot values. And we want only the latest updated contact. So for that, we have to use last modified date, order by last modified date, limit 1. Here in this list, we have contact which will be used for opportunity contact role. Now let's iterate over this list again, copy its name for opportunity, OPP, paste it here. Basically, in this list, we will pass trigger.new from a trigger. Now apply another if condition to check that whether ID of this opportunity is present in this map. If OPP type map dot contains key OPP dot ID. Now guys see, to create a contact role, we will be needing contact which is present in this list. But in Apex, it is not a good practice to use nested for loops. But if we want to use the contact which is present in this list, we have to use the for loop here. So to avoid that, what we will do, we will store this contact data in a map. So let's create a map like this, string contact opp con map string comma contact and iterate over this list contact con related contacts and put contact type in key and contact in value like this. Contact dot type in key and contact in value. Now here we will create an instance of contact using this map. So contact con for type map name dot get opp dot type. Apply null check on this contact. If copy its name, paste it here, not equals to null, and then create opportunity contact role using this contact and opportunity. Opportunity contact role, let's say opp con role with this, paste it here, copy this also, dot opportunity ID will be equal to opp dot ID, again paste it, contact ID will be equal to con for type ID. Now to bulkify our code, let's create a list to store opportunity contact role for insertion. List opportunity contact role, let's say opp con to insert new list opportunity contact role. Copy this list name, paste it here, dot add opp con role. So this code will be executed if a contact is present of same type as opportunity on an account record. But according to the requirement, we need to show error if there is no contact present. So for that, let's use else condition here and let's add error message. opp.add error, no contact found with the type opp.type. So this error message will be populated if there is no contact found. So till here our half of task has been completed. Now there is only one thing left, which is to delete existing contact role and also to insert this list. Now to fetch existing opportunity contact roles, we'll be needing ID of opportunity which is being updated and we already have it in key of this map. So let's fetch existing contact role like this. If first copy its name, paste it here, dot is empty. And now fetch existing opportunity contact roles. Let's say existing roles, select ID from opportunity contact role, where opportunity ID is in key of this map. Dot key set. Delete it, existing roles, and insert this list. Save it and deploy it to org. Okay, we are getting error. That's the reason. We are still getting error. Okay, I forgot to use colon here. Now it is successfully deployed. So we have our handler class ready. Now let's create a trigger. Let's name it opp.trg. Now guys see, we need to insert and delete related records. Therefore, we have to use after update event. So let's write after update here. And our trigger will be on opportunity object because we are changing type field present on opportunity object. So let's write opportunity here. Now apply a check to call our handler class method only on after update event like this. If trigger.is after and trigger.is update. And finally call our handler class method. Trigger handler dot trg method, pass trigger.new in first parameter and trigger.old map in second. Save it and deploy it to org. Okay, it is successfully deployed. Now we are good to go with our code. So to see it in action, let's go to our org. Open this account. And on this account, we have two contacts. This is of partner type and this is of new customer type. And we also have an opportunity record whose type is partner. Open this opportunity and let's first change its type to a value whose contact is not present. Click on edit. Let's say non-profit. Click on save. So as you can see that this error has come stating that no contact found with the type non-profit. So the task of showing error if there is no contact present of same type is working correctly. Now let's update its type to new customer. And we already have a contact of new customer type. So let's see what will happen. Save it. So guys, this contact role has been created with customer contact of account. Now let's change type value to partner again. Click on edit. Select partner. And now if our code is working fine, then after changing value, this contact role will be deleted and a new contact role of partner contact will be inserted. So let's save it. See, our code is working correctly. That's it for today guys, and I'll be back with more interesting trigger scenarios. Thank you and keep watching.